Your entryway door is the first impression of your home. Is it making the right statement? With Porta Martini premium entryways, you're not just upgrading style, you're boosting the security and energy efficiency too. Porta Martini doors are built with advanced insulation, helping keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in summer, saving you on energy costs. Made from fiberglass, you won't have to worry about insect infestation or damage due to rot. You can relax with peace of mind knowing that Porta Martini doors are made from superior materials. They're more resistant to warping and cracking and won't rust over time like a traditional wood or steel entryway. Installing a Porta Martini premium entryway on your home is just one more way Van Dolder's Custom Exteriors is building a better home.
The home.